قل يا عبادي الذين أسرفوا على أنفسهم لا تقنطوا من رحمة الله
نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قال الله تعالى يا أيها الذين آمنوا لا تتخذوا اليهود والنصارى أولياء بعضهم أولياء بعض ومن يتولهم منكم فإنه منهم إن الله لا يهدي القوم الظالمين وقال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم من تشبه بقوم فهو منهم. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Myself, Rishai Huda from class 8. Today is the day to open your eyes, to raise yourselves and take you back to our glorious past. Dear audience, entire world knows that this world was under the possession of Muslims. History bears that during the Ottoman Empire, Muslims ruled for about 608 years. No force was able to compete them or to face them. They were developed economically, educationally, scientifically, culturally, socially, and even in all walks of life. But the point to be noted is that what held them so high? What was the secret of their success? Because they were united. They hold the rope of Allah. They had the firm faith and would believe that no force could beat them as long as they will follow the teaching of Islam. But today, when I observe the current situation of Muslim Ummah, my eyes flow tears and ask me, what causes this to be thrown out of the light and into the darkness? What took us from rise to fall? Is it conspiracy of Jews, America, international propaganda of Islamophobia, or we ourselves have done all these harms? Regretfully, I have to say that we have left the rope of Allah. We prefer the enemy's culture, their civilization, tradition, and even whole lifestyle. So this is the reason of our fall, that we are in such a crucial circumstances. Running behind the money, cruelty, oppression, obscenity and nudity, baseness, and leading the purposeless life. But as Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala says, Allah will not change the condition of people until they change what is in themselves. So we must not forget that still we have a chance to return back to Allah, to regain what we have lost, to defeat our enemy once again, to change our destiny and to bring to our glorious past back. Is it that what we all want? Is it that what we all for this heart? Our efforts can be fruitful and make this world a heaven again. So my dear fellows, when I look at you, I see something in you, and I know you are the one who will take the ummah to where it deserves. وَمَا عَلَيْنَا إِلَّا الْبَلَاغُ الْمُبِينُ.
قل يا عبادي الذين أسرفوا على أنفسهم لا تقنطوا من رحمة الله